transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet. After you open up your phone now, go and open up your Phantom wallet app. So tap on this receipt button. So from this receipt button, now go ahead now and copy the address of the crypto you want to receive from Binance. Let's say I want to receive Solana. So just tap on this copy button to copy the Solana wallet address. So now go back to your Binance. After you open the Binance app like this, now if you want to just send it, you go to this asset. After you come to this asset now, go ahead and tap on this withdraw button. So from this withdraw, tap on this withdraw again. So from this option, all you have to do now, you can just go ahead now and search for the crypto you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw Solana, as I copy the Solana wallet address. So just tap on this search and search for the specific crypto you want to withdraw. I type in Sol, here is the Solana. So tap on this send via crypto network. So in this option now, type in the address in this option. After you type in the address like this now here is the network Solana. So in this option now, you can be able now to see the minimum amount of the crypto you want to withdraw. For Solana, the minimum amount I can be able to withdraw from Solana in Binance is 0.1. So type in 0.1 or for 0.2, just specify the amount. And from this section, you can be able to see the network fee and tap on this withdraw button. If you tap on this withdraw button now, you transfer crypto from Binance to Phantom wallet.